This kind of ties into what Frank and I talked prior, and he made this comment about like the steward of the purpose as being a very important CEO role, and about it being tied to culture. And so, Frank, tell us a little bit about your experiences with regard to that.
Yeah, I had a longtime mentor once tell me, always in everything you do, think about the mission and the purpose and communicate that, because no one in the company can be that steward as well as you can. And so I really took that to heart, and a lot of the things I thought about in terms of town hall updates, communications, as we set agenda items for senior leader meetings, we kept that purpose in front of us all the time, despite the fact that, as you might imagine, taking a company public, advancing multiple clinical programs, there's so many demands on our time. But I think that by keeping it in front of us, and I can help to convene people, set the agenda, that, again, I'll go back to, you got to go slow to go fast. And when people think about, am I going to stay or go? Am I going to tell my friends to come here? It really boils down to, is this the type of company that I want to work for? Is the purpose resonating for me? Are the culture and values, the guiding principles for me? And I think that done right, that's such a powerful thing inside of a company. And it might take you a little longer, but I can tell you from experience that, because of that, now I really feel like we're accelerating even more than we could have otherwise. And so I go back to, there's no one else in the company that can be that steward, that lead. Of course, you'll have your leadership team, but as a CEO, you've got to take that on and make sure that you're convening people, that make sure you keep that in front of them, and you work on it together with the company, and never lose sight of that, despite all the different demands.